बहुत हो गया तथा ब्रह्म। वाह वाह। Never in my life I could imagine this usage of sadhana Brahmidya. And it was appropriate.
So they are after inquiring after Brahma. But nobody could give them. So they have got it. Now they are taking it. This is stage. हमारे देश में भी बड़े बड़े राजा लोग खूब राज्य के महाराज युधिष्ठिर सब कुछ के आत्म छोड़ दिए. That is the stage, sannyas stage. So these hippies, they are also giving up all work. That is sannyas. But there is no guide. There is no guide. Because they have no guide, therefore their intelligence is not being purified. Simply there is a propensity for renunciation. त्याग. बट त्याग करके किस भूमिका में स्टैंड होना है वो नहीं जानता. आफ्टर रिनाउंसिएशन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेज दैट डू नॉट नो. दैट वी आर गिविंग. यस, कम हियर, स्टैंड हियर. इज इट नॉट? दे आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल. They are standing, who don't want this. But they must stand. So they could not give the standing. But here is stand. Therefore this movement is successful. They want some standing. And where is the standing? आप ये जो चलता है, एक पैर उठाता है और एक पैर फिरता. तो ये उठाया, उठा तो लगना है, कहीं गिराना है. So unless you get a solid ground, you cannot stand. You'll fall down. प्रभु विष्णवे नमः. हाँ, कीरात हो नाम द पुलिस. और ये प्रणाम मंत्र हमारे गुरु का नमस्कार करते हैं पहले. मैं सदस्य भक्ति नहीं, वो अपना वो हमको गुरु, then his guru, after Krishna. ये पद्धति है, इसका नाम परंपरा है. You cannot directly approach God. That is useless. You have no power to approach God directly. That is not possible. Guru Krishna Kripa. इस विषय में जितने सब अनुभवी इंडियन है, let them study this philosophy. We have got books, enough books. One cannot read all these books even throughout whole life. खाली एड्रेस देना नहीं, you do actually what?
So I can also continue to celebrate and
You arrange, we can go there with all party. Now we are in this part of it. You can get immediately, we can go. From India,
yes.
we can go to Indonesia.
March,
Hmm.
we can go.
That's all right. You also come. Arrange like that. After finishing our program in Simla, let us go to Indonesia.
Then
You do it.
more than anywhere.
That is a fact. At least at the present moment, nobody can give better thing than what I am giving to the world.
They are very crazy.
Ah.
They want something to be done. And they want books, they want Bhagavad Puran and Gita.
उसको भागवत एक सप्ताह भागवत सुनाएंगे तो वो सब समझ जाए।
So it's very important.
हाँ, तो आप अरेंज कीजिए, हम लोग जाएंगे मार्च में। आपका वो शिमला का
I have given you my address, or you will have it. Oh, yeah. And then I'll contact and meanwhile I'll arrange the tour to...
You are present to today's program here.
I was present.
So this
I
program.
wanted to join with the dance in the public, but nobody was there accompanying me. So,
No, you could have informed him. You could come to the platform. Anyway, next one also you'll have.
I in no way I want to disturb this program. No, you won't disturb. You won't have to. Tomorrow I'm coming.
Where you are staying, yeah? Actually inquisitive. He'll catch it. It's not the question. Japan. Personal ambition. It is service to Krishna. Krishna wants. Krishna says, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam. So we are canvassing.
So you do service to humanity, service to even service to something higher. I was asked to be crazy about it, but I could get the chance.
That Brahma Jigyasa, that is the position of the whole world. That is the position. They have enough saying about this material nonsense. Now that is the position. They want to know what is.
It is called Krita Yoga.
Huh?
Krita Yoga.
No, this is not this yoga. This is called Kali Yoga. But
Kali Yoga. After it,
then it will come Sattva Yoga. All that is long after. 400,000 of years after.